it's Shai Sarai and welcome to another vlog. After I did that week of eating at home, I flew out to Vegas for my birthday. We stayed at the Venetian Hotel. I had never even been here before because I usually stay a little further down the strip, but the hotel was gorgeous. Of course, it had a huge casino, but it also had huge rooms. And the view wasn't too bad. I absolutely loved my birthday dress. And my birthday dinner at Sushi Samba was amazing.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Happy birthday to you.
Along with all the other tasty food throughout the trip. And yeah, we got in a ton of steps walking up and down the strip to see the sights.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else I'm trying to do. That's bottom line. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling.
After all that walking, I definitely needed to soak in Epsom salt. But anyways, I actually got married in Vegas back in 2014. So it was really nice to pop over to the Flamingo Hotel. and see the real flamingos, as well as the garden chapel where we had our wedding ceremony. We also got to see Cat Williams at the Thomas Mack Center, which was hilarious, and he had a whole entourage of comedians with him actually. And we went to Cirque du Soleil Mystere as well, but I'll be honest, I didn't love it. I mean, it was okay, and now I can say I've done it, but I don't recommend it. Now, I do recommend the Slotzilla zipline in Old Vegas. It was so fun. Like, the view was amazing, and it didn't go too fast. It was just perfect. I love Vegas. But sadly, the birthday trip came to an end. So, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon, okay?